I think artists start their careers in two different ways. In the first one, drawing begins as a hobby when you're younger and grows into a professional career. In the second one, they are relatively older with little experience producing art and consciously choose to make art their profession. Many artists fall into the first category. They start copying from artists they like or drawing fan art of characters and stories they admire. And then they take drawing more seriously, learning fundamentals and techniques to have good skills. It takes a lot of time to learn to draw well, but eventually, maybe in 10 years, these artists who were drawing for fun since they were little become professional with the technique and the artistic side consolidated. But some of us are on the other side of this spectrum, and this is where I fall into, and probably some of you watching as well. My approach towards drawing has been mostly from a technical viewpoint, learning how to draw correctly, understanding perspective, learning anatomy. I took drawing and animation seriously until college, which now is around 8 years. And in those past years, I've done schoolwork, professional work, and drawing studies. Tons of drawing studies. The amount of drawing I have done for fun has been tiny. I even started this YouTube channel back in May 2021 with a drawing challenge to level up my skills. The challenge ended, and between other things, I continued to study. It made me wonder, when am I gonna finish? Am I ever gonna finish studying?
I don't want to study anymore.
Of course, artists stop studying at some point. I mean the note-taking, following a teacher kind of a study. They probably all continue to do practices and, fundamental warm-ups. What I want to say is that if we continue, we'll eventually be experts. Think of those super consolidated draftsmen who have an evolution of their art instead of improving their craft. Until we get there, however, it's gonna be frustrating. That's what's happening to me right now. I'm almost done with my anatomy studies, but I got tired and stressed, and I realized that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. I wasn't sure about making this video, but I am documenting how I study anatomy and level up my skills, and this frustration is part of the process. I also try to find solutions to my problems, so here's my conclusion. Whether you started drawing for fun when you were little, or like me, drawing began with a work mindset, we need a balance. Reaching a level where we can express ourselves without the skills limiting us takes time and effort. So we should enjoy the process as much as we can. So, have a balance. If you're only drawing for yourself and for fun and you get frustrated with how the drawings turn out, study a bit. Practice fundamentals, take a class. And if you're only practicing technique and working for others, try to once in a while draw for yourself. Studying is usually a means to an end, so let's treat it like that. I, for example, am going to start drawing more fan art. I think that's just what I need. I invite you to follow me on social media, since that's where I'll post some of the drawings for fun, along with my anatomy studies, which I'll be finishing soon. You all probably have come across this frustration, so let me know in the comments how was it for you and if you think balancing fun and study is the way to go when improving our skills. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for watching.